Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to allow apps to record your screen on Mac. So some apps need permission to record your screen so that they can capture tutorials, share your display during meetings, or provide remote assistance. Because screen recording can display sensitive information, macOS requires you to approve this permission for each app individually. This gives you a complete control over which app are allowed to record your screen. So if you want to allow an app to record your screen, first click on the Apple logo and then choose system settings. Now in the left side pane, scroll down and then go to privacy and security. Now here in the right side pane, scroll down and then go to screen and system audio recording. Now here find the app you want to allow and then turn on the toggle next to that app. And if macOS asks you to authenticate or restart the app, follow the on-screen instructions and the permission will applied once the app has been restarted if required. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.